Here live on the floor at ITC 2024, I'm joined by a dear friend of mine, former mentor, former boss, Manish Shah, who is now the president and chief product officer at Majesco. Manish, thank you so much for being here.
Nice seeing you, Miguel.
One of the things that we keep hearing about as one of the challenges is adoption. And what you're talking about by embedding it, you're basically scaling those adoption challenges because it's in process, it's in flow.
Yeah, that's a very good point. We didn't want to build yet another technology that doesn't see an adoption. And that is why one of the charters when we started out with saying is that this needs to be a turnkey solution. It means that if our existing customers want to start experimenting with it, it should not be a large implementation project, or it's not like, let me train the models for you, and then it will be good for your use, but then not for someone else's use. So that has been a charter. We're still true to that charter at this point. And we always engage the customers during that process. So we had a focus group. We had uncontrolled testing, which means we give a AI co-pilot within our application to the users of our existing applications without any training. And we just simply observe what they are doing, how they are doing it, and then we interview them. And what was super, super encouraging is 87% or so customers who actually went through this training, and the recent production customer, their end users are saying that they are using it now daily. And 70% of the users are saying that they cannot even imagine using without Copilot. So that basically says that while the numbers and benchmarks are one thing, saying that are we making impact to people's life,
right?
And they will only latch on to a technology. Nobody want to learn new technology, but they want something that it is helping them.
I love it. And I heard so many elements of true product thinking, true design thinking, and what you just described. That test and learn concept is amazing. Manish, thank you very much for the time. So good to run into you again, buddy.
Same here, bud.